Hello everyone. The traffic in Bucharest started to be quite difficult, therefore I decided to buy a car camera from AliExpress, and it arrived quite fast, 3 days from Hong Kong to Romania, but it stayed a bit with the customs, so I finally received it. It's a dash cam, both in front and in the back of the car. This is the one from the front. It will be fixed with a 3M adhesive band on the windshield, and it will slide down. It is capable to record at 4K, but only if you use the one from the front of the car. If you are using them both, you are not able to record 4K, but you can record in Full HD. That's the one from the rear. The quality is quite good. What I don't really like is that it is quite big and it would be visible, but the advantage is that if you are fixing it behind of the mirror, it will be somehow protected. Okay, so here is the fixing okay, I think it would work. This one would be fixed, and you'll just put the camera not like this, and slide it down, and it will stay quite good. Okay, and that's the rear camera. Nothing much, but let's take this down. Okay. Okay. Power from the cigarette. That's for your PC to download the recording, and you have an extremely long cable to connect the front camera with the rear camera. Good. And separately I have purchased something like this for me to be able to have power all the time to the camera. It has an extremely nice function, and in case that you are hit by someone, it will sense the G sensor will be activated, and it will start to record the incident. So this is what we have in the package: the cable to download the videos, some 3M tapes to fix the camera, to connect the rear camera with the front camera with an extremely long cable, to plug into the cigarette lighter and power on the camera, the front camera, and this is optional. I purchased it separately. And besides this, what else? That's it. I think it has Wi-Fi, GPS, but we will do another video and we will test all this. It's really nice that the user manual is in English, so you're able to read it and see how it works. You can use a SD card between 8 GB to 128. I choose the one from Samsung, 64 GB. It's capable to record in 4K. And here are some specs. You have 2-inch screen, 170 lens angle, built-in microphone, loop recording function, GPS, Wi-Fi, and what is really nice is that it does not have a battery. It's using a capacitor, and during the summer it's quite useful because you are protecting your camera. The battery will not leak. That's it.